In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect GoHighLevel to HubSpot. First, pick the integration platform that fits your comfort level and budget. Two popular options are Zapier and Make. Both let you build automated workflows without coding. Zapier is often simpler and more guided, while Make offers more flexibility and complex logic. Sign up for the one you prefer, and make sure your account tier supports the number of tasks and the frequency you need. Next, create a new workflow. In Zapier, this is called a zap, and in Make, it's called a scenario. Start a new one and give it a clear name that reflects the purpose. For example, syncing contacts from GoHighLevel to HubSpot. Naming helps keep things organized later if you build multiple automations. Now, set the trigger. Choose GoHighLevel, sometimes labeled Lead Connector, as the trigger app. Select the specific event that should start the automation, such as a new contact being created or a contact update. This triggers the workflow whenever that event occurs in GoHighLevel. Consider the trigger event carefully so you don't accidentally process duplicate or partial records. After that, set up the action. Select HubSpot as the action app and pick the corresponding event, for example, creating or updating a contact in HubSpot. Decide whether you want the action to always create new records or update existing ones when a match is found. Matching logic in HubSpot is important to prevent duplicates. When prompted, authenticate both accounts. You'll be asked to log into your GoHighLevel and HubSpot accounts and grant permission for the integration platform to access them. Use an account with the necessary permissions and avoid using personal credentials if you can. Use a dedicated integration user for security and easier management. Next comes mapping the data. Match fields from GoHighLevel to the correct HubSpot fields, such as full name, email, and phone. Pay attention to required fields in HubSpot and map any custom fields you use in GoHighLevel to corresponding properties in HubSpot. If you have complex data like multiple phone numbers or custom properties, handle formatting and fallbacks so the data syncs cleanly. Finally, run a test and activate the automation. Use the test feature to simulate a trigger and confirm that the data appears correctly in HubSpot. Review the test for errors, check for duplicates, and make adjustments if needed. Once satisfied, turn the workflow on. After activation, periodically check the integration logs to catch any issues early and refine mappings as your needs evolve.